If you have been watching my vlog series, you will clearly know that I was in Amravati for a few days. And hence, this video is about things to do while you are in Amravati. And by the way, the vlog series was a huge hit. A lot of people called me and told me to stop vlogging. So yeah, let's get into our video. Amravati is the second largest city in the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. This is where it is located. Amravati basically means the city of immortals. So what are the things to do here? Ambadevi Mandir. It's a very old temple and is situated right in the heart of the city at Gandhi Square. I think it's hardly a kilometer away from Amravati railway station. The temple really looks beautiful and the architecture is plain fantastic. People from across the country visits this temple and hence you can find a lot of accommodations in the vicinity. Bamboo Garden. As the name suggests, this is a large park with a variety of bamboos. It's a proper picnic spot with a mini train, adventure activities, play areas for children, benches to sit on and grass to lay on, butterfly park, monkeys, small zoo, and the list goes on and on. This I would say is a must-visit place. It's large and will take up at least 2 hours to roam around. Inside this you have a cactus world where you can see a lot of different cactuses. It's a large area and beautifully designed. The part I like the most in Bamboo Garden is this point. This is sort of a viewpoint of the lake below. Entry fee is 20 rupees for adults. Vehicles are not allowed inside, so be ready to walk. Maltech D. Officially it's called Shivtek D, but it's popularly known as Maltech D. It's basically a park on a hillock, and on the top there is a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Maltech D Dargah. You have to climb a lot of stairs to reach the top, so avoid going in the afternoon. I would say the best time is during the sunset. From the top you get a bird's eye view of Amravati and you also have walkways to walk around. Chatri Talao. It's a huge lake, rather a reservoir, built in 1888 to supply water to the city of Amravati. It is a heritage site with great historical significance. The lake is now getting revamped and is going to be more beautiful. It has several play areas for children, an open-air gym, an amphitheater, scenic pathways with lamps and a tree with a piercing. Fantastic. This is not the main entrance, but if you enter from here, you can see this. Oh, sorry, this. Seems to be a very old building. From here, there is also a long pathway lined with trees on both sides alongside the lake. Actually beautiful. Now coming to the places to eat. Devmata Snacks. This is a small and simple eatery where you get snacks and drinks, nothing fancy. We came here to have the Amravati special Gila Vada, which is basically dahi vada with the meetha pani of pani puri served with a really hot chutney and moong curry. We also tried the samosas, batata vada and moong bhaji. I loved the samosas here. Two fun facts. One, vada pav is not easily available in Amravati and the chas here is a little sweet. Raghuvir Sweets. This is a very famous sweet shop in Amravati and a must visit if you are a foodie. Basically known for sweets, this place also sells a variety of things like chocolate, sauces, bread, syrup, squash, biscuits, healthy snacks, etc. etc. You have to try the sambar badi, which is a specialty of the Vidarbha region, and also Raj Kachori, which is like the royal version of kachori. Sharmajis Aloo Ponga. This place may be a little hard to find because it's basically a cart. Here you get an interesting dish called Aloo Ponga, which I tried for the first time. Nali, that's what we call in Mumbai, or frams, is served with aloo bhaji topped with spring onions. It's a very different combination and tastes good. Fun fact, spring onions are quite common in Amravati. Kolkata Roll Center. As the name suggests, this place sells rolls, which is very similar to the Frankies we get in Mumbai. There is a wide range to choose from and has both veg and non-veg options. I'm sure this is an adda for teenagers and college-going students as the rates are relatively cheaper and the quantity is filling. They do serve some amazing rolls. With that, we come to the end of our video. I'm sure I've left out many places. We'll cover it when I go there for the second time. Also, Amravati is a transit point for going to Chikaldhara or Melghat Tiger Reserve. Both are interesting places. Last fun fact, it's hard to get Tatkal tickets from Amravati to Mumbai, so if you plan to visit, please book your tickets in advance. Bye.